Shwmai, cath dwi i. Yn 1919 dysgon ni fy mai. So, mam, fy mam i. Tad, fy nhad i. Brawd, fy mrawd i. Treiglad trwynol, so the nasal mutation was used. Yn 19, in Unit 20, dyn ni'n dysgu, we're learning, yaw. There are two types of yaw in Gymraeg, the plural, formal, and the singular, informal. So we'll start with the plural form, as it's the easiest, because there's no mutation. Felly, eich something chi is your. So, mam, eich mam chi, your mum. Tad, eich tad chi, your father. Brawd, eich brawd chi, your brother. Felly, dyma, here is, dyma, eich llyfr chi. Dyma, eich sbectol chi. Dyma, eich bwyd chi. Felly, dyn ni'n defnyddio eich, we use eich in questions such as, what's your name? Beth yw eich enw chi? But the yw and the eich join together to make it flow better. Beth yw'ch enw chi? What's your name? Beth yw'ch cyfeiriad chi? What's your address? Beth yw'ch rhif ffôn chi? What's your phone number? Beth yw'ch cod post chi? What's your postcode? In contrast with the singular form of your, there is a treiglad meddal, a soft mutation, and the pattern is dy something di. Felly, mam, dy fam di, tad, dy dad di, brawd, dy frawd di. And similarly with objects, dyma, dy fwyd di, here's your food. Dyma, dy sbectol di, here's your glasses. Dyma, dy lyfr di, here's your book. And when we use dy in the same question, such as asking names, addresses, etc., we use the soft mutation. So, whereas beth yw'ch enw chi, yeah, it's beth yw dy enw di. Beth yw dy gyfeiriad di. Beth yw dy rhif ffôn di. Beth yw dy god post di. At the end of the day, it's easier to use eich as there's no mutation and probably easier to remember. But it is important to know both. Felly, we would use dy and eich in questions such as, ble mae dy ddosbarth di? Where is your class? Pryd mae dy ddosbarth di yn dechrau? When does your class start? Felly, eich, something chi, dy, something di. Eich potel chi, dy botel di. So remember, treiglad meddal after dy. Pob lwc, diolch yn fawr.